announcement that is expected from the cabinet today is the spectrum auctions. It's likely to give its go-ahead, after which the government will start inviting bids. So let's get in Reema. Reema, how do the numbers stack up this time around for the auctions?
Yes, we understand that the Cabinet is likely to give the final approval for the spectrum auction details. The timeline is as follows. First, the TRAI comes out with recommendations which are accepted or tweaked by the DOT, Department of Telecom, then the Telecom Commission, but the final approval needs to come from the Cabinet, which could come through tomorrow, and then you get the notice inviting applications. Up until now, what we know is that this year's auction is likely to be the biggest ever, with the government looking to auction spectrum in 7 bands: 700, 800, 900, 1800, 21, 23 and 2500 megahertz, with a debut done by the 700 as well as the 2500 megahertz band. We will get greater clarity on what the upfront payment will be, what the reserve price is, and in that the thorny issue is on 700 megahertz, where the reserve price set by the government up until now is 4 times that of 1800, which telcos say is very expensive. But the final approval on the reserve price will also be known. The Cabinet will also ratify on the spectrum usage charge, which has been set at 3% for incremental spectrum that you acquire in the auction, and you'll also get greater clarity on the timeline. Reports suggest that the auctions could be conducted in August, but you'll know more about it from the Cabinet tomorrow.
All right, Reema, thanks so much for that. So